Alright, so I'm going to make this quick because it's 43 degrees. So I removed the stock bumper and I'm going to put an M Sport bumper on. So how to remove the bumper, you'll need to pop out a clip on here at the back of the wheel down there. You'll need to do the same on the other side. This one here, if you can see. Got to add that you need to take out, so this thing pops in here like so. You can use the metal one, but wrap some tape around it if you care about the bumper. If you don't worry about it, and then just go underneath it and pop it out. It's only held in by stupid little clips like that, so if you don't give a shit about the bumper, then pop it out with the metal one. The same tool you use to pop out these things here. And then you'll need to remove the T50 bolts. These ones have been seized in mine. Mine's not a winter car or anything, so it is probably best to get some sort of penetrant like this stuff here. This stuff works great. Spray the bolts and then you'll be able to see it from underneath like so. That's how they mount, like that in there. You can either get it with a wrench like that, which is probably ideal, or you can use a little one like that to get it out. And fuck thing is, mine's a tow package car. I didn't realise these cars come with a tow package. Like, this is a 330 with a tow package. That's so weird. The other thing I was going to say was, you need to keep in mind if you're going to do M Sport bumper swap, is that the bumpers slide on this little groove here. So you need to note that this is the same. Hopefully you can see that. See how they slide? The same as the M Sport ones. So, oh, it's fucking hot on the concrete. So they slide into those slots. There's the easiest way to get them out. Otherwise, if these things are not here, you usually get little cross tube things, but this is a tow package car, so it's completely different from everything else I've seen. There's like one bolt here, and there's another one down here, and there's another one under the carpet here. So there's 1, 2, and 3 to remove those bolts, and then the same on this side. 1, 2, and 3 to remove that, to get it out. If those are so rusted you cannot remove the bumper. Yo, dog. Hello. Can you sit? Molly, sit? Nah. It's bloody hot outside, mate. What are you doing out here? Anyway, that's how to remove the bumper. I'll take a shot of it with the M Sport bumper on because it looks pretty good. Alright, so and last thing is, the only thing you need to do is it's not on properly, but it just slides out, so you need to make sure you don't get caught on the plastic liner here, and then just slide it out. See how it's caught on that liner there, and that can just slide out. And then the reverse is to pull it back a little bit, push it in. So it's weird one-handed. Oh man. Right, so you need to pull it back a bit. Fuck me. And get it on every other time. Like that. Something like that. So you need to just slide it on. And it looks pretty good compared to the other one, but I'm going to have issues with the tow package now because that sticks right there.